Pengakuan pihak berwenang di internasional, Indonesia tidak peduli dengan musibah bencana banjir di Aceh, ungkapannya dalam wawancara berikut ini.
Said if you're the government, you should be helping. Who are being ignored by the Indonesian government. You're not being helped the way they deserve, the way they should be by the Indonesian government. Flooding that happened now almost 2 months ago in November 26, 2025, has destroyed so much of Aceh. And the people there are suffering and they need help. Acehese people demanded help. They said, if you're the government, you should be helping. The government sent troops in. Instead of sending help, they sent the troops in. Instead of giving money to the Atjehese to rebuild, what they did is they gave money to the military to go in.